I just told Jett about my plan, and 2 seconds later, we're executing it.
Ayo. What up, people?
So Jett's over here. Hopefully Josh shows up soon. What are we doing today?
We're going over to Holeshot Performance, our buddy Ricky. His new dyno and tuning shop for LS and LT platform vehicles.
That's true, all that GM goodness. I tried to vlog the last 2 days and didn't finish it, so this is just going to be a big old weekend vlog. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I mean, I filmed it, but I didn't put it up. So.
Oh, okay.
So here's a quick recap of my last 2 days. Alright, so me and my crazy hair were thinking that we'd do a vlog. Vlog is something I've been wanting to do, been meaning to do, I really should do, because what else do I have to do? Not much. Anyways, this morning we stopped by Subaru, got some parts for the Impreza, because she's due for some love. So just been editing this morning. Hopefully this video will be up today. So you should see that video up before this vlog, hopefully. That is a track prep podcast video. So it's gonna take a long time to edit, and it's also gonna take a long time to actually post to YouTube. These green screen videos have a lot of editing in them, and it just takes a long time to upload. So anyways, overview of my day for today is we've been editing, we're gonna get that video up. We're going to show the green Integra some love. I just got a valve cover gasket and cam seal for it, and I'm gonna post that up for sale. So give the green Integra some love and then kick it to Craigslist. And then we're gonna give the Subaru some love and do a service on the Impreza. So that's what I got going on today, just to give an update, I guess, on things, because I haven't been posting too much the last couple weeks. I've been busy with a lot of non-Imperium racing stuff. And then for Imperium Racing, I've been trying to get the website ready. So working on the clothing, working on the website. So that's kind of my main goal right now. I want to get the website done this month in April. Yeah, that's why a little bit of radio silence. Been working hard on the website. We're gonna get that up. For YouTube, I want to post a video once a week, either Thursday or Friday, but consistently once a week. And then these vlogs or whatever else we got going on, we'll throw up whenever. So keep an eye out for YouTube videos Thursday or Friday every week, and then keep an eye out for the website going live pretty soon here in the next couple weeks. I'm gonna finish editing this video, and then I'm gonna upload it, and then I'm gonna work on my cars, and it's gonna be a good day. Do some videos and do some work. Finished editing the podcast. I have to rewatch it real quick, so we're gonna do a quick watch back. I finished it, now I have to watch it again to make sure it's all good. Anyways, got my snacks. So, you might not know, but in the editing process, especially with green screen stuff, it takes forever. This video started off, all the raw footage was about 35 minutes long. I got the final video down to 25 minutes. So I took 10 minutes off of it, but everything I cut out and everything I edit, I probably watched that part like 4 or 5 times, because you watch it, you're like, I'm gonna change this. You change it, you watch it again, you change it a little more, you watch it again, you cut stuff out, you watch it again to make sure it still lines up. You know, you rewatch the stuff you're cutting before you cut it to make sure it can be removed. It just takes a long time. So 35-minute video, I've watched every part of it multiple times, so that's hours and hours. So I started uploading it. I'm pretty sure it's good, but I'm forcing myself to do one final watch through, which is really hard because I've seen every part of the video too many times that it's just like hard to focus on and watch anymore, you know? It's repetitive. So this is what I was talking about. I don't know if you guys can see that, but those are all edits. We zoom out, that's what the whole project looks like. That's 25 minutes long. You zoom in to any given part, you're like, oh, okay, we got a lot of stuff stacked up here. We got some stuff stacked up there. It's a lot of stuff, you know? So I enjoyed it, it's fun, it's just time consuming, and then by the time you get to the end, you're like, oh, I really don't wanna watch this again, but you gotta, you know, you gotta do it. Oops. Out here in the garage, we're in the house. Lots changed in here, but it's all cleaned up, which is nice. My window stickers came in, so that's cool. I think this is probably the most basic font you can get. I did it quickly, I just want to see how they came out, but pretty happy with the quality at least. They seem pretty legit. Those came today, so I might throw them on. We got the Integra parts, and Subaru parts for today. Whee! And the keys for all the cars I have to move. So I'm gonna throw these stickers on here. I got some glass cleaner. I don't know, I guess right here. Maybe I should Google some pictures and see what looks good. But throw some stickers on this, and then I'm gonna pull it out of the garage and get it out of the way. Pull the green Integra in here, click on that. I'm gonna pull the Subaru in. I actually can't decide where to put this thing. So many choices. I just do a single one on the back, centered? I don't know, too many choices. So, and these are white. I'm like, I could even put this on the paint somewhere, but I don't want to do that. I don't know. I'm gonna leave that for Sunday. Time to give the last little bit of love to the OG race car. Last bit of love before she's gone. Well, actually, I'm gonna have to take these brake pads off. My EBC green stuffs are in there. Yeah, I gotta take those off before I get rid of it. I have brand new brake pads, so I'll just slap those on there. Subaru is in the garage for the first time in months and is blocked in by Hondas. But it's not scared. Subaru, Honda, 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 Honda. Ugh. Alright, well, in typical Zach fashion, I had more things on my list than I could actually get done. So that's normal for me. The Integra didn't take that long, but I got stuck on that cam plug, and then Rochelle made some kick-ass twice baked potatoes. And then I went in and ate those, and they were delicious. So, and I was working on getting that video up on YouTube tonight, which is up. By the time this one's up, that one's already gonna be a day old or whatever. So I decided, I got the Subaru in here. I'm gonna do the Subaru tomorrow. It's just an oil change, tire rotation, cabin filter, nothing too crazy. But I remembered when I was working on the Integra that I need to take my EBC green stuff front brake pads off. So I'm gonna do the Subaru service tomorrow. It's tomorrow Saturday, so it'll be fine. And then I'm gonna swap out the brake pads on the Integra, and then I'm gonna cut off the flanges on this cat so I can send it back, get my $75 rebate. But for now, we're good. Got a video done on the Integra. It's the other thing is I was filming that valve cover replacement for another video, and that filming just makes everything take way too long. In a good way. But yeah, so I didn't get everything done that I want to get done today, but that's okay. And again, it's also very normal for me. I'll get better. I'll get better at filming. So day one complete, day two coming right at you. Day two. So gonna finish up this bad boy today. Get the Subaru all nice and done, serviced up. Pretty basic, 48,000 mile service is just a tire rotation, oil change, cabin filter. I think that's it.
Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love.
day 2 in the books of this little vlog. Everything went pretty well. Got all the tools cleaned back up. Stuff's all cleaned up. GSR's back in the garage. I still need to work on the rattles on this. I might work on that tomorrow, I'm not sure. Got Ricky's grand opening meet tuning day deal to go to tomorrow, so not sure if I'll have time, but I'll work on those exhaust rattles pretty soon here. Got this cat cut up. Cut these flanges off of this thing so I can send it back, get my refund. Got some parts in for the black GSR, oil filter, spark plugs, and trailing arm bushing all came in. Gotta get those frozen, you know. So yeah, got some parts showed up today. Cut up this cat on the green Integra, swapped out the front brake pads. Got my green stuff right here. Took those off, the OEM pads back on. Also fixed right rear brake, had an issue, put that back together. Got the service done on the Subaru. The rest of the night tonight, gotta work on the website and editing this and stuff like that. So website's going, YouTube's going, cars are getting done. If anyone wants to buy the green Integra, let me know. It's up for sale. Oh, I've been getting a whole bunch of scams on that today too, that's been fun. And people lowballing the shit out of me, because that's normal when you post a car for sale. It's been so long, I forgot. But yeah, that's been fun all day as well. All right, now that that's over, got some work done on the cars the last couple days, and now, like I said, Jett and Josh are coming over. We're gonna go check out Ricky's shop for the first time, which will be pretty sick. He's been tuning for a while, but his shop is fairly new. So yeah, we're gonna go check that out, a little grand opening meet, film a little bit, hang out, watch some cars get dynoed.
Some cars make some power.
Yeah, make some power that's our cars don't even know exists. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah. After my ball surgery.
All right, Josh just got here. He's shirtless, just how we like it.
Nice.
Just letting Jett take a peek at the new garage setup. Quite a few things have changed since last time the boys were in town.
The boys. Dude, this yellow, man.
It's bright, huh?
Yeah.
I really wanted orange, but it's a close second. Security. We made it. We made it. Let's look at some cars. Woo!
Is that a Supra?
Oh. I agree. Waboo.
satellite. What is that for? I just noticed that.
Alright, we almost didn't film an outro.
Oh, that what we're doing?
So we did a little bit of vlogging the last couple of days, and then we went to Ricky's meet, and we had a little meat, and then we had, for lunch, we also had a little meat for lunch. So we went to a meet, and then we got meat and ate meat.
Meat. That's neat.
Yeah, me makes me tired.
What do you think of Ricky having a dyno?
It is sick. His shop is
Alright,
actually
yeah, alright, so Jett's time, so what do you think of...
Yo, so Ricky's dyno. It was like...
That's exactly what it did sound like. Alright, Jett,
It is.
put in your 2 words.
It's nice.
Pretty sweet. It's pretty
It is
cool.
pretty sweet.
Jett was gonna say it's the coolest thing ever.
Yeah.
It's hard to
Yeah.
fit all 3 of us in here. There we go.
There you go.
Yeah,
Your
Ricky's
head's
shop,
so big.
pretty cool. Pretty sweet. He's got a dyno and his own shop, so we're jealous of that. It's pretty cool.
I'm gonna dyno these puppies. See what kind of horse purrs they're making.
Purrs.
Josh, there's something growing in your leg. Yeah, good day, fun day. Had some wings and some loud dyno car pulls that you just saw in this video.
Yeah. Ah. Ah.
Your son's asleep.
All right, Josh, send them home.
Peace.
The cock.
Sir, this is Dave and Buster's.